In commercial kitchens, all towels are white and all get dried before they go in the laundry bag. Because I launder my own towels, I have a 3-ingredient concoction. Liquid detergent, any brand, liquid Clorox 2, and Cascade powder for the dishwasher. In equal amounts, and as you're ready to work, into the bucket where you'll be soaking your towels, aprons, and chef coats, goes the concoction with the hottest water you have. I run the dirtiest towels through the wash first, and then I put them in the bucket. The ones in the bottom are my cleaner whites, which include my aprons, chef coats, and my flour sack towels. On top, I add a little bit more of the concoction, all 3 in equal amounts, and more hot water. I keep my dish gloves close by because I agitate these towels throughout the day. I used to notice that many of my students had dingy chef coats, and I would find out that they washed them with all kinds of other colors. It's very important that when you wash whites, you only wash whites. This concoction is gentle on all fabrics. It doesn't matter what they're made out of, and I've used it to whiten dingy t-shirts, chef coats, and even furniture slipcovers. The water coming out of my cleaner towels is dirty. Look at how dirty the water is coming out of my dirty towels, which were previously washed. Because the water is so dirty, this tells me that these need to be re-soaked. But in order to get them to soak up the concoction, I have to drain them of their water. So using elbow grease, squeeze out as much water as you can and start from the beginning. I'm going to squeeze out all of the water out of the clean ones too, because I want those to go into the wash and I want them to receive the concoction, because believe it or not, I use this when I wash all of my clothes, just in smaller amounts. I transfer the Cascade to a deli cup so I can carry it home because I do my washing there, not at work. Look at all the dirt that still lives in those towels even after they've been washed and soaked twice. First load to come out of the wash are my whiter whites, and it's important to reconfigure your hot mitts and let them air dry. In order to give the impression that you ironed all of your clothes, they need to be folded while hot. While I'm sorting, I lay all my towels flat before I even start creasing them. This is an old school process, but while you're sorting laundry, you get to see if things have holes and if they need to be taken out of your rotation. I have never ironed a chef coat or an apron, but they always look pressed because I do it while they're hot. While I'm folding, I don't pay attention to which towels are bright white and which are dingy. Once they're all folded, then I divide them into piles, the ones that I keep at work and the ones that go into my home that look nice. Even though this looks like a lot of work, I only use a towel for one day. Then it gets dried, goes into the laundry, and is washed. I keep them in the deepest drawers near my work area, and these white towels are over 10 years old.